Hello everyone. You may have noticed this Matilda topic pop up onto Google Classroom. This isn't actually an assignment, but this section right here will be information about the assignments that you're going to start doing on Monday. So once you click on this, you'll notice that there will be a link here. If you click on this link, it'll take you to a PDF file of the story Matilda that we were reading in class. But starting on Monday, you'll see assignments on Google Classroom pop up. There will be a whole bunch of assignments under this, and then you're going to find some that will say ELA. So you're going to have ELA assignments for every day of the week. So you have three options. One, you could actually read the Matilda book if you have your own book and read the chapter for the day. Or two, you can go back to the Matilda information page, click on the link, and get the PDF version of Matilda and read that chapter for the day by yourself. Or three, you can go to the Matilda section, and somewhere around here, there will be a YouTube link of me online reading to you from the Matilda PDF. So then after you've read the chapter for the day, depending on which option you choose, then on the Google Classroom assignment, you'll see this Google slide here that it will say questions. That's what you're going to click. And then you'll see something that looks kind of like this. Mine looks a little bit different because I'm showing you from the teacher section. But if you notice, when you click on it, it makes a box, and that's where you're going to be typing in. So for example, here, right here, it says number 1, what was Matilda's magic medicine? Then I would start with a complete sentence, and I would say Matilda's magic medicine was, and then I finish typing. So try your best to do a complete sentence here with a capital letter and a punctuation. For spelling, if you're not real sure, remember you can go on Google. So for example, if you're trying to spell the word especially and you're not sure how to do that, then on Google you click on it and you ask a question. Watch. How do you spell especially? And then it pops up. It tells me how to pronounce it, it tells me how to spell it, and anything else that goes with that. So remember, you have all these tools that can help you complete all the assignments. So back to the assignments. So once you finish typing in each box, somewhere around here, there will be a little button that will say turn in. So you're going to click on it. I think it will be a green button for you guys. Some of you guys are typing in the comment box that you're done or that you finished the work. That's not actually how you do it. So on the assignment, it'll say either turn in or mark as done. That's what you click because it sends it to me and lets me know that you're finished so that I can look at your work and then send it back to you and give you any information if maybe you need to fix it. So once you're finished with this specific assignment and you've turned it in, you're actually finished with the ELA assignments for that day. So let me go back to the PDF and just kind of quickly go over what's happened. I know some of you were in the class when I was reading, but we've already read chapters 1 through 4 of Matilda. And Matilda is a little girl. And let me show you this. There's a picture of her with her brother Michael. These are her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Wormwood. And all the other ones we haven't talked about yet in chapters 1 through 4. And what we find out at the beginning of the story is that her parents are horrible. They really don't give her any attention whatsoever. And I'm going to send a video for you to watch how her parents were actually like. But her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Wormwood, they describe them at the beginning of the book. The dad sells used cars and he's really dishonest. And her mom doesn't work. She likes to go and play bingo every day with her friends. And she leaves Matilda home alone. Even when Matilda's like 4 years old, she's left home alone all day. And she loves to read. And she has found out that she can go to the library while her mom is at bingo and her dad is working. And she can check out books. And then we also know that her dad is very dishonest with the dealings that he's doing at his job. And so Matilda has decided that she wants to pay back her parents. So she starts doing like little pranks on them. So far we've just read a couple of the pranks that she's done. She borrowed a parrot and she made her dad think there was a ghost in the house. She also put glue on his hat. And so, starting on Monday, we'll be reading more things that happen throughout the story. Now, make sure that you go to the Matilda page. And somewhere here, I'm going to have a link for that YouTube video I was talking about. It's a little bit of the movie, the actual movie of Matilda, so that you can see really just how her parents are. But please just watch that little section of the movie. Don't watch the whole movie yet. Okay, wait until we finish reading the book and then you can watch the movie. See you soon.